Yo, what's up YouTube? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we are bringing you guys a review on the Lepow portable monitor that was sent to us by Lepow for us to review. So I hope you guys enjoy this. This is gonna be a little bit different than the gaming videos, but I really am excited for this. I'm gonna plan on using this as a third monitor for my streams. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, and hit that dang subscription button. I know you guys are watching. YouTube's telling me, so make sure you guys hit that little subscribe button. Let's jump straight into it, guys. Okay, so we did end up getting this unboxed. Let's go over really quick over what all came inside the package contents. So inside was the Lepow monitor itself, and then we got the mini HDMI to HDMI cable that was included. The ports on this is a mini HDMI, so this is gonna be very useful when you wanna connect it, use it as a third monitor, just like I do. And then the second thing was a Type-C to USB-A cable. The USB-C and Type-to-A is going to be the charger cable, and also with the charger cable was an AC adapter here. As you guys can see, this goes together. This is the charging cable right here. And then we did have a Type-C to Type-C cable. This is going to be useful in case I want to connect this to my iPad or something, or anything that uses a Type-C like an Android. As well, with the other contents was the smart cover. This is just a cover, and honestly this cover might be a lot heavier than the monitor itself. I can't really decide what is heavier. This is magnetic, and then so is the back of the case, just so it can, or the back of the monitor, just so it can grab onto the case. But like I said, I personally think this case might be heavier than the monitor itself. And then also we did get a beautiful screen protector that Lepow threw in there. Thank you so much, Lepow. This is included with all of their monitors, so don't be discouraged if you guys thought they just sent me that as a little bonus. Let's go over specs now that we have everything here. So this is the Lepow SL1 monitor by Lepow. The weight is an average of 770 grams, and then the screen size is a 15.6 inch screen. This is an IPS panel. The aspect ratio of this is a 16:9, and the resolution is a 1920 by 1080 screen. It does have dual built-in speakers, has one here on the left side, and then it has the other one here on the right side. Let's go over ports real quick. Here on the left side, you guys can see it has the HDMI mini port, and then it's got the USB-C port right here, 3.5mm jack on the left side. Let's go over to the right side of the panel, and then it has a volume adjuster here, and this is where you plug in the AC adapter to USB-C to charge your monitor. So let's get this thing all set up. Let's get the iPad connected. Alright, so we did get this hooked up to the Lepow monitor with my iPad 11 and the USB cable that was included. So let's test this out, see how everything works. As you guys can tell, first glance, the colors look amazing on the monitor. Like I said, this is an HDR IPS LCD screen. The colors look very good. Doesn't look like they lost any saturation or anything. Colors maybe could be adjusted a little bit using the in menu of the screen. As you guys can tell here, you guys can adjust the brightness, contrast, black level, and sharpness. And then it's also got different image has different image settings here. It's got an eco, DCR, and aspect ratio setting. You got different color temps that you can mess around with here, as well as OSD settings and volume settings, and also got miscellaneous settings such as picking what signal source you want to use, blue light settings, and HDR mode settings as well. So let's jump straight into the iPad and see how it reacts. As you guys can tell, I'm scrolling the screen here on the home screen on the iPad, and it's reacting very good. If anything, there's very little input lags, reacting very fast. Very little lag at all, and not any lag at all. Let's jump into an app, see how it opens up, and see if it pulls it up. So here's YouTube. We're scrolling through YouTube. Not bad at all. Let's close out of YouTube. Let's play some music, see how the speakers work. Alright, so I did end up getting the music app here pulled up on my iPad. I want to test out how good these dual speakers are on the Lepow portable monitor. So let's get some music playing and see how good they really are. Wow, that is very clear audio, guys. That is amazing audio coming from this little portable monitor. With it being dual speakers, I did expect it to be a little bit louder with it being at 100% volume, but even though this is a very little monitor, and for the $200 price that this monitor comes in, I think that's very good. I'm not going to be using it for the volume. I don't really need audio. All I'm using it is for the screen display. But if you wanted to go ahead and hook up your Nintendo Switch or your Xbox or PlayStation to this, I think this would be very, very good, especially if you're on a little road trip and you want to get this all hooked up in your car and play while your parents are driving or something. It does come with the 3.5 audio jack, so you could get headphones and hook them up onto the Lepow, which I think would be a lot better than having the audio playing out of both dual speakers. Alright guys, so this is going to conclude the review for the Lepow portable monitor. I'm super excited to get this set up and use it as a third monitor for my PC setup. Big shout out and thank you to Lepow for sending this out for review. If you guys enjoyed this, make sure you guys leave a like. Make sure you guys comment down below any questions you guys might have for this portable monitor, any questions that you guys might want me to answer. Also, if you guys are watching this and you guys enjoy these, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that little notification bell as well. That way you guys are notified on my next video. So I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you guys for stopping by and watching me. Have a great day.